In this video, I will guide you through an easy step on how to connect your Binance, Bybit, and OKX wallets to receive your Hamster Combat token. This is a necessary step for everyone who participated in the mining of Hamster Combat to follow before they can receive their reward token. With that said, let's jump straight into it. Now, open your Telegram account and navigate to the Hamster homepage. On the right-hand side, click on Airdrop and select the wallet of your choice. In this video, we'll be selecting Bybit. After clicking, you will see a pop-up question asking, "Do you have a Bybit account?" By now, I believe you've created and verified your Bybit account, so select, "Yes, I have it." After that, 3 fields will appear. 1. Bybit UID. 2. HMSDR deposit address. 3. Memo. Don't rush. Take your time to look at them carefully. I will guide you on how to get all this information in just a few minutes. Let's start filling out the form. Again, take your time and follow the steps closely. First, open your Bybit app on your phone. In the top left corner, click on your profile picture. Next, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Scroll down until you find your UID, a 9-digit number. Click the copy icon to copy it. Now, go back to your Hamster page and paste the UID into the appropriate field. Next, return to your Bybit wallet homepage and click on Deposit. 3 options will pop up. 1. P2P trading. 2. Buy with NGN, or your country's currency logo. 3. Deposit crypto. Don't choose the first 2 options. Instead, select Deposit Crypto. Once it opens, tap and search for Hamster by entering the abbreviation HMSDR. After searching, click on it. You will then be prompted to choose a chain type. Select Ton. Wait for the page to load, and you will see your wallet address and your tag memo. Copy your wallet address and go back to the Hamster page to paste it in. Then return to your wallet, copy the memo, and paste it as well. Finally, click Save. Remember, you cannot change any of these details once you've made your selection, so make sure to double-check everything. Please ensure you do your research to select a wallet that is well supported in your country. Thank you.